In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search in Microsoft Loop, full 2026 guide. Let's get started by opening Microsoft Loop in your browser at loop.cloud.microsoft. Sign in with your work or school account and you'll land on your Loop home. If you're new to Loop, think of it as a flexible workspace where you organize ideas in workspaces, build out pages, and insert components like tables, checklists, and notes. Knowing that structure will help you understand what search can find. As soon as you're in, look to the left-hand sidebar. That's where the main search lives, and it's available from anywhere in Loop. Click into the search box and start typing. You'll notice that suggestions begin to appear right away, so you can jump straight to what you need without leaving your current view. This is designed to be quick. Even if you're deep inside a page, the sidebar search is your constant shortcut back to anything in your account. Loop's search scans across three levels of content. First, it looks at your workspaces so you can find entire collections by project or team. Next, it searches individual pages within those workspaces. And finally, it reaches into specific Loop components, things like tables, lists, and notes, so even a line item inside a table can surface. To improve accuracy, use meaningful keywords such as the project name, a meeting date, or a distinctive term you remember typing. The more specific you are, the better the results. If you prefer the keyboard, you can trigger search with Ctrl+J. It's a fast way to open search without touching your mouse. If your browser or system uses that shortcut for something else or nothing happens, just click the sidebar search instead and you'll get the same experience. Once you have results, narrow them down to exactly what you want. Use options that focus on favorited workspaces or recent files to cut the noise. Favoriting a workspace is a great habit. Star the spaces you use every day so they're easy to surface when you filter by favorites. Recent items are perfect when you're jumping back into something you touched earlier this week. You can also refine your query, add a teammate's name, a deliverable, or a milestone to guide Loop toward the right page or component. That's all there is to it. Open Loop, use the sidebar search or the shortcut, understand that it combs through workspaces, pages, and components, and then refine with favorites and recents to get straight to what matters. Practice a few searches with real project terms, and you'll move through Loop noticeably faster. Thanks for watching, and happy searching.